Kim's Kitchen, bringing you easy ways to grow, harvest, and prepare delicious foods from your own backyard.
Hey, I'm Kim, and I'm canning collards in my own kitchen. Check out my recipe. It's a 1-hour recipe, and you get it done. Store up food for 1 whole year. Now, you're going to need a canning set. It's kind of like a 6-piece canning set. You're going to need an Instant Pot or a pressure cooker. You're going to need some canning jars, and you're going to need about an hour. Hey guys, it's Kim, and welcome to my kitchen. And yeah, I wear my hat. You know, whenever I have to do my hair, I throw my hat on. But anyway, today I decided to can some collards. So as you know, I harvested some collards yesterday, or maybe you don't know, I harvested some collards and some kale yesterday. And today I said, you know, I've been freezing it, I've been blanching it, and now I want to can it. And that's exactly what I did. Collards, so along with the squash and the corn on the cob. So today was a pretty good day. The stringings need done. I usually just let them go. Newt knows a bit more about them, so I don't really mess with them much. But that's what's happening out here in this Miller garden. And I guess it's time for us to get a deep freezer because the field is smaller than the yield. So the yield that we're getting is greater. And isn't that just like that with everything we do in life? When you submit something to the ground and you turn it over to the Lord and you just trust that it's going to grow. The other thing is believing that it will grow. You always get more out of what grows than what you actually planted. So, all right, guys, hope you have a great day. Hopefully you're doing something great, productive, that's going to benefit you, your family, help to save money, take you back to a little bit more of an organic style eating. And yeah, okay, have a great one. Pictures showing step by step. I don't necessarily have a video of it, but I want you to know that it can be done with the water bath method. Very simple. My steps were to get my collards. I soaked them in vinegar water and cleaned them really thoroughly. Then I destemmed, not the whole stem, but the tops of the stems. I took them off. After that, I took the stems and chopped them very small because that's where you get most of your nutrients and your protein, your fiber, and everything comes from the stems. I took the stems, I chopped them up. Then I took a bunch of seasonings with olive oil, a bunch of onion, a big old gigantic onion, and I steamed it, fried it down with the seasonings, added in my broths. I used both chicken and beef broth. I wanted to have that flavor. I also used the liquid smoke. I used the Better Than Bouillon seasoning. So I used a whole lot of different seasonings and spices, things that would just wake up the flavors. And then after that, I only cooked my greens half of the amount of time in my pressure cooker. Usually you do 30 minutes, I did 15. After that, I canned them. Once I was done canning them, I flipped them upside down. And then after 5 minutes, I flipped them back and the lids sealed themselves because I don't necessarily have a canner pot. But let me show you what I do have here. And like I said, I did use the water bath method, and I know a lot of people don't know what that is. And that's basically when you are using just the pot and water, the boiling hot water to can your food. Okay, let me show you my cans here. So here you go. And as you see, the lids are sunk in on their own. You do not have to press, they're already down. And that was from the water bath method, and then flipping the cans upside down for 5 minutes. And then after the 5 minutes, turning them back up for like a half. And happens after that half an hour is they just start to, lock in place on their own. And it took me, let's say maybe an hour, maybe an hour and a half or so today. I got up really early to clean the greens and all that. That usually takes a little more time. Anyway, I've got 8 new canned goods. Kim's kitchen is canning over here, but I've got 8 new collard green canned goods, and I'm really excited again. And I've tasted them. They are delicious. So you can do this with meat, without meat. If you're a vegetarian, you just use your vegetables and peppers and onions. If you like to use turkey or pork or beef or whatever you like to use, it all works together. And then you season it to taste. All right, so I hope you'll try it. I will post a few pictures along with this video, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for stopping by my kitchen.